Alright guys, welcome back to another video. So this is a 2020 Kia Sorento. So you make it up in the morning and notice your side mirror smear up and I cannot see through it while driving. So I'm going to show you how to activate your heated mirror. So to activate it, you have to press this rear button right there, and that's what defrosts the fog from the mirror or the water. Just see right there. So that's it right there guys, 2020 Kia Sorento. Alright, so as you can see guys, it's clearing up right there. Check the other side, you can see it's getting clear by just tapping this button right here for the rear. So that's what defrosts the rear glass, and I also put it on the heat so it goes a bit faster. There you go. Driving now. Okay, so as you can see guys, it's getting pretty clear. Alright guys, so if I find this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching. Catch you another time. Bye.